Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be looking into the different types of variables used in Postman. In this video, we will be exclusively looking into environment variable. However, there are three types of variable used in Postman. One is global variable, second one is collection variables, and the third one is the environment variable. Okay. So we will start with the environment variable. Okay, so let's say I have to add the in the URL, the username, and the passwords in the environment variables, which is common, okay, and can be used in all the places in all the requests. For now, let's start with the one of them, which is the URL. Okay, let me click on environment here and create a new environment. Okay, let's name this as QA. Okay, under this environment, we will add the variable. So let's say base URI. Okay, and what is the initial value and the current value? Let's go back to our API collection and let's say we go to the first one, which is post, and let me pick the URI itself. So click on the environment variable and paste it here. Okay, so you have specified the variable name and its value. Now we have to make use of this variable in the request itself. So to make use of this, what would we do is that we have to add flower brackets in this. You will add base URI. Okay, and let's save this. Okay, and if you first time hit it, did not run. Let's look into this, what we have done. We are not using the environment variable here, so that's why it did not work. So let me choose the environment variable here. Okay, and click on send. Okay, now you can see that you were able to run the request. When you hover on this now, okay, now after running this, it has set the values. Okay, let's similarly let's do this for all other types of requests which we have added as well. So let's see here. So this will give me an advantage. Suppose my the QA server URL has changed. Okay, so in one place, if I make the changes, it will reflect in all the places. So let's say if I try to run this now, it should work. Okay, so it will work now. So make sure that you are selecting your environment, whichever environment you have created, so that it picks up the value from that. You can also have multiple environments created here. Suppose I have a dev environment. Okay, and then so what would happen is that you can run this test against multiple servers. Suppose the environment is there, then you have QA environment, then you have UAT environment. So this will help you a lot in those type of testing where manually you are not changing all the URLs in all the places. Once you create the environment variables, okay, and select the environment, it can work like a charm. Okay, thanks for watching this video.